In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the trim command in AutoCAD. Using the trim command is essential for any AutoCAD user because it helps you refine and tidy up your drawings by aligning objects to meet the edges of other objects. We'll walk through each step together so you can become familiar with both the quick mode and standard mode of trimming. Let's start by opening AutoCAD and getting into the trim command. You'll want to either click on the trim icon in your toolbar or simply type trim in the command line and hit enter. This will activate the trim command, and from here you have two modes to choose from: quick mode and standard mode. First, let's look at quick mode, a great tool for when you need to trim objects promptly without setting specific boundaries. In this mode, you'll select the objects you wish to trim individually. This method is quite intuitive because you can press and drag to create a freehand selection path around the objects you want to trim. Alternatively, you can specify a crossing fence by simply picking two empty locations. This selection path allows you to choose which parts of your drawing you've decided will act as cutting edges. It's important to keep in mind that in quick mode, all designated objects will automatically serve as cutting edges. Furthermore, if you select any objects that can't be trimmed, those will be deleted instead. It's just a part of the efficiency of quick mode. Remember, this feature is particularly useful if you're in a time crunch or dealing with a complex drawing where precision is still essential, but speed is of the essence. Now let's switch gears to standard mode. This is the method you might find yourself using when you need more control over what exactly should be trimmed and against which boundaries. Unlike in quick mode, standard mode requires you to first select the boundary objects. These boundaries are what the selected objects will trim to. After you've picked out your boundaries, you will press enter. Following this, you can select the specific objects you wish to be trimmed. With this mode, you have the added flexibility of deciding whether to use all objects as boundaries by pressing enter right at the initial select objects prompt. This approach gives you precise control, ensuring your drawing aligns perfectly with your intended design. Overall, knowing how to effectively utilize both quick mode and standard mode within the trim command allows you to optimize your workflow in AutoCAD, keeping your drawings clean and efficient while allowing you the flexibility to choose according to the demands of your project. Feel free to experiment with both modes to see which one suits your needs better under various scenarios. Practice makes perfect, and the more you use these commands, the more intuitive they will become in helping streamline your creative process. Enjoy refining your designs, and happy trimming.